The brown one or the pink?
Brown.
Oh!
Wow.
Hindi sa akin yung brown.
White.
Sa akin yung brown. And then, oh my gosh, nasisira na yung ano. Tapos, meron akong... Ayokong buksan lahat.
Iwan
No.
natin isa kay Athena.
Ayokong buksan lahat, sayang.
Sige, 4.
Ayan. Oh, babe! Ang cute niya.
This last.
Ang cute. I don't wanna open all of it though. Sayang siya. Sayang. Bubis-bubis naman siya. And then... So cute. What is this? Pero, alam niyo po ba? Don't you find Labubu a little creepy? Like, look at their faces.
Looks like me.
It has fangs, like what is the sharp teeth? Isn't it a little creepy? It's like it's cute, but it's creepy at the same time.
Like this.
So yeah, I can't. And just stop it. Kamukha mo. Okay. I will not breathe until Shanti notices me. I don't know why you guys comment that stuff. Okay, I won't notice you then. When I just technically already did. Oh my gosh. Lapula's comeback. When? I mean, I dyed my hair black again, so... Okay, next. Ano yan? Yeah, okay, next gift. Dito ako natuwa. Wait lang. Okay. Stop it. Let me enjoy this moment, okay? Yung isa kasi nabuksan ko siya kasi I wasn't expecting what it was. I was like opening it, you know. And then, oh my goodness, bud. Thank you so much and you're such a genius. Okay, first, it was in this pouch kasi hindi ko na siya mabalik kasi masyado siyang bulky, but stop it, please. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Do you see this? Look at him like, oh my. Okay, you're not allowed to wear this.
But it's in the closet though.
No, I'm not gonna put it in the closet. I'm gonna hide it away from everyone. You're not supposed to wear this one. Okay, so nung nasa Japan ako, there was a lapis there na I mentioned na parang na-mention ko lang yung t-shirt niya kasi he was wearing one piece, and then back then, I mean before, dahil kay Shana, I started watching One Piece, so I enjoyed it and I liked it. Tapos na-mention ko lang sa lapis na, oh, I like your shirt. It's One Piece. And ever since, he just kept giving me One Piece merch. And I appreciate it a lot, and I still have it upstairs. I still kept it. But, you know, there's this one more. Stop. it, look at 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 it. Why are you looking? What are you staring at me like that?
I'm judging you.
Stop. You watch and you don't judge, okay? Oh my gosh. Yes, so, ayan. Natuwa ako dito. Tapos, meron pa. Meron pa, guys. Ito, I mean, nasa isip ko na to before kasi we're still decorating our bedroom. Tapos, isa sa mga gusto kong ilagay sa bedroom ay mga picture frames na, you know, mga cute na mga picture, like painting. I'm actually even painting some, yung mga DIY lang na painting na may mga number-coded na paint. I painted one. Tapos may natitira pa ako sa taas. Para lang may pang-display ako. Tapos, guys, hindi ko pa siya binubuksan kasi I wanted to open it ngayon habang nagla-live. There's 3 of them. Like, hindi pa siya nakabukas but you can already tell who it is. Like, stop it. This is so good. It's so unexpected. Hindi ko in-expect to, pero I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Lapis, for this. Okay, let me open one masterpiece. Let me open one masterpiece.
Oh, wait. It's acrylic. They made it themselves.
Oh my gosh, you painted this! That is so cool. Look, look, look. His hand is like this. He's like, you can like literally put something here and put like, oh, I love you.
What?
You listen and you don't judge. Okay, now there's this one. It's so cute. Oh, ayan, may pang-decorate na ako sa room.
Here.
I was literally thinking about this. Tapos biglang binigay ng lapis. Isn't that so smart? That is so cool. Okay, there's another one. Wait, oh my gosh. Okay. Oh. Bro, like, are you serious? He flexing on me. Oh my gosh. Okay, put it here. Nakita niyo ba? Mahulog lang siya. Tapos isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa. Wait, hindi ko na siya maano. Ay, nalulutang na naman ako ito. Trying to remove this.
Oh!
Ito pang Valentine's to. Wait lang. Dapat medyo pa-demure tayo. Hindi dapat tayo ganito. I need to save myself from like embarrassment or something.
Ayan. Ayan.
Isn't it so pretty? Oh my gosh, this is the highlight of this live right now. Look, look. Let's give it a moment of. Let's give like
A
one
moment of shalala.
Yes, yes, like just a silence for Gojo right here.
Ayan. Ayan. Nagka-date ka na. See?
Yeah, hanggang dito lang yung kadi. Hi! Oh. wait lang. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm showing this side of me to Lapis. This is so embarrassing. But, I mean, Lapis, you already know me, but you should like... This is a different side of Shanti, okay? So, yeah. Ano nga yung TikTok trend na yun? Siya yung boyfriend ko. Oh, i-edit nyo na, peeps. Ano nga yun?
Gumawa ka ng editable like stuff.
Meron yun
no?
Oh my gosh, I don't know anymore. Kasi yung algorithm ng TikTok ko iba na, hindi na ako updated sa mga latest na TikTok. Yeah. Saan mo nabili white shirt mo? This shirt?
Somewhere deep down the closet.
Yes. Nakita ko lang to sa cabinet kanina. So yeah. Kasi I'm lately, okay, another TMI, guys. Okay, wait. Go just sit there, okay? Wait. Ayan, okay. What was I gonna say? Oh, lately, I've been scrolling through Pinterest a lot. Kasi I wanna like, you know, do online shopping and buy new clothes. So if you guys have any like, style that you want me to try out, I'd like to try it as long as it's still, you know, like modest, you know, because I'm siguro nahalata nyo na I don't really like wearing like really short shorts or like very revealing clothes unless I'm on stage with the group. But yes. So yeah, I wanna up my clothing style. Oh my gosh, Gojo! Stop falling! Yeah. Okay, so if you guys have like if you guys want me to try out any, you know, clothing style or aesthetic, I'd like to try it and I'd like to see, you know, yung mga ideas nyo. Kasi yung gusto ko, yung, ano ba yun, yung old money, yung nakikita ko sa Pinterest, they call it like an old money outfit or something like that, old rich. Here in the Philippines, they call it tita outfit. But then, gusto ko rin naman yung, ano, parang medyo K-pop pa din. Para meron na yung like try to mix it up. Para meron pa rin akong sariling identity and hindi naman super, ano, following the trend type of outfits. You know, parang this year, iba naman yung aesthetic ko, you know, I'm like aesthetic in pictures and stuff. So yeah, I've been making a lot of new goals for myself this year. And isa yun sa mga goals ko, you know, to improve my closet. And what else? Yeah, something like that. Wait, let me see the comments. Parang may nagsasabi ng... Bagay sa'yo yung role na Sue. Dami kong tawa, di ko in-expect. Yes, I'm glad you guys... Wow. What is that hat? Okay, I'm glad you guys enjoyed that episode. Kasi nag-enjoy din akong i-shoot siya. Gawa ng super kakaiba yung role ko doon sa Buddy and Sue. But, I don't know, parang nung nabasa ko pa lang yung script, tapos nakita ko na, magpapanggap akong lalaki, na-excite agad ako kasi, medyo swag. I always be like, swag, swag, swag. So, feeling ko napakita ko yung pagka-swag ko doon. You guys like it? I'm glad you did. Thank you so much. And I really appreciate all those, reposts of that episode. Tapos ngayon, may aabangan na ulit kayo yung Maka na ngayon Saturday, bukas na. Nakita ko may mga... What are those stuff? Okay, yung mga bagong... na-distract na naman ako. Yung bagong show na... yung sa Maka, maabangan nyo na naman ako doon. Bukas. Kasi, yun na yung entrance ni Shanti Villanueva for season 2. Okay, what else? Any updates ba sa Lapillus? You guys don't have to worry about it. Will be coming soon. I hope so. I mean, we're working on it. Why did you leave Lapillus? Who said I left Lapillus though? Guys, where did you get that? I didn't. Wow. What are these stuff? I still don't get this. Di pa rin ako sanay sa TikTok. I don't know what is happening to my TikTok right now. Paano yung exercise routine mo? Well, ngayon, meron kaming treadmill dito sa bahay. So, I just try to do 1 hour of treadmill, of walking every day to put in the steps. Tapos, I think kahapon I was able to do 1 hour and 40 minutes. Kasi ang goal ko mga 2 hours. Yeah, mga 2 hours of treadmill. Para 10, I think kasi nung tinry ko siya and I was counting the steps. I heard that you're supposed to walk for 10,000 steps every day. So that's my goal for, a healthier body and to get rid of this puffy cheeks. This puffy cheeks. Okay, anyway. Ba't nasa likod yung asawa ko?
Dami namang asawa.
Guys. No! Oh my gosh, stop it. Huwag kayong ganyan. Hindi lulo nyo. Hindi maganda yan. Cartoon character lang si Gojo. Eat chocolate before and after exercise. Peeps, I mean, lagi kong na-mention na I like chocolate, but lately, I promise you guys, it's been a week, or maybe almost 2 weeks, na hindi ako makain ng chocolate. Ay, hindi pala, wait lang. Wait lang. I stopped eating chocolate for a week, tapos nung Tuesday, kumain ako ng cake. Chocolate cake. But anyway, Bumawi naman ako sa treadmill tapos hindi pa ako kumakain ulit ng chocolate until now.
Mm-hmm. I'm kidding.
Willie said we don't judge. Guys, I know. I don't know what I know. Shanti, when ang movie mo? I think it's coming out soon though. We just finished filming the movie last month. And yeah, parang feeling ko it's gonna come out in a few months. So, abangan nyo rin po yun. Sino closest cast mo sa Maka? Who am I closest with among the Maka casts? Close naman ako sa lahat. Sino ba? Lahat naman, like, I mean, okay, nung last, like, I think when we shot the episode 3, that was like the first day that I actually got to spend a whole day in taping, yung hanggang dulo, hanggang matapos yung lahat ng scenes. So it was actually my first time to spend like actual quality time with everyone. So dun ko sila nakabanding ng mas matagal. And feeling ko mas naging ka-close ko sila because of that. And ayun, as you can see sa GMA Public Affairs na social media accounts, makita nyo yung kakulitan namin ni Marco and the nonsense that he was saying. So yeah, dun makikita nyo pala kung paano kami magbardagulan and magkulitan. So I would say Marco and Elijah and Ashley and Zeph and Olive and Sean and JC and Josh. Lahat naman. And Chovy and MJ. I think I mentioned everyone. Anong color ng contact lens mo? It's olive. Shanti pa shoutout. Wait, nawala. Pati si Mayan. Nasaan na yung nagpapa-shoutout? I'm sorry, I lost you. Nawawala na ako. Fave role mo so far sa lahat ng naging role mo? I would say Sue. Because it was so fun. It was just a one-day shoot. Pero it was fun playing Sue. Kasi doon lumalabas yung pagka-swag, you know. Swag. And the boy. You know, boyish vibe. I like that. Shout out. Happy birthday to whoever you are. Asan na siya? From Tagaytay. Lotion reco, please. Ever Organics. Lotion recommendation. I use this as a lotion too.
Desiola Los Argentinos.
Oh, hola. Hola, mi gente. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Happy birthday, Rachel. I'm literally just trying to catch whatever I get to read first. Good luck sa may laban. What? Competition? Dance competition? Good luck. Give us new songs. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Who? Wait, let me see. Happy birthday, Charm. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you peeps. Anong oras na ba? Feeling ko 1 hour na ako nag-live. Happy birthday, Sachi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Can I buy Gojo from you? What? What? I'm not selling this stuff. I'm sorry. Joke lang. Dami ko naman kaago kay Gojo. Okay, so hala, meron pa rin akong ano. May highlight pa rin ako sa hair. Okay, I've been trying to get rid of the highlights I did. Kasi diba when you make highlights, pinapa-bleach mo yung hair mo, diba? So for Japan, I put highlights on my hair. Yeah, and I kind of regret it kasi ang hirap matanggal sa hair. Tapos gusto nyong mag-blonde ako. I'm sorry guys. I just can't torture my hair anymore. Masaya na ako dito sa dark hair ko ulit. And if I'm ever going to go any lighter, probably just brown. Like light brown or something. Hindi ko kaya na magdusa yung buhok ko ng ganun sa bleach. Tapos pinapahaba ko ulit siya. Kaya I'm just leaving my hair be. Letting it rest. So ayun, pag nag-comeback kami, hindi ko na siya papakulay. Ganito na ulit siya. So huwag kayo mag-expect ng any new hair color from me. This is Shanti's hair color sa comeback. Happy birthday! Oh, wait, nawala. Pa-shoutout. Okay. Hi, Diana. Hi. Happy birthday, Ariel. Sobrang Latina. Yes, soy Latina. Naka-live pa rin ako. Wait lang nga. Yeah. Proof that I'm in the house. Do you watch Solo Leveling? No, I didn't watch it yet. Kasi, hindi ko alam. Hindi pa ako nanonood ng bagong anime lately.
Solo Leveling?
Yeah, but lahat ng mga pinanood ko na anime, it's my sister who recommended me those. So
Yeah, Solo
they're
Leveling's next in your watch list. Don't worry, guys.
okay. And yes. Do you watch K-dramas? Hindi na nga eh. I feel like the only one thing I'm watching right now is W, yung old na K-drama, but it's only when I feel like watching it. So lately I have not been watching anything properly. And
Trauma Code.
ayun, just snippets of whatever you guys watch. And yes. Oh my gosh. I literally just turned on the live with nothing in plan. Just opening the gifts and showing you my skincare products. But next time, I was planning to do a live of like makeup, practicing makeup in front of you guys. And the other one is just like painting. But next time, I'm gonna do that. For now, I just wanted to say hi and, just catch up with Lapis, and especially kasi hindi ako nag-live nung birthday ko. Kaya ngayon ko plano. Kaya naisip ko na mag-live ngayon. Sinabay ko na sa Valentine's. So this is me, guys. I'm spending Valentine's with you. With Lapis. How sweet of me. Cringe. Oh my gosh. Okay. Since wala na akong ma-chika, actually, ang dami kong every day, there are just some things that I want to rant about or like say in the live if I get to do a live. But then, pag nasa live na ako, nakakalimutan ko. So, yeah, I'm gonna prepare all the rants that I'm gonna do later. Yes, I'm wearing contact lens because I have bad eyesight. Okay, so, ayan, pasensya na, napuyat kayo guys dahil sa akin. Not rats, rants. Rant. R-A-N-T. Rant. Okay. At lobat na rin ang aking phone. Oh my gosh, naninig talaga lahat. Doing the live here in the sala was not a wise choice. Naririnig nila. Okay. Okay, I just want to say thank you for the gifts. Thank you din sa mga lapis na super active sa social media and sa mga lapis na uma-attend pag may mga promotions ako dito. Thank you for all the efforts. I appreciate it a lot. And I love you guys. And kita-kits ulit sa mga future promotions. And abangan nyo po yung mga shows po namin. Like yung Maka. And yeah, soon. So, ayun. Abangan nyo si Shanti and whatever she's gonna do sa Maka. I actually don't know how Shanti's going to end up. I don't know what Shanti's going to end up doing later, but for now, she's still a bad girl. She's still a bad girl. Natikman mo yung ketchup? Yes. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this live. ML, Gusto niyo mag-ML? Ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-ML. Simula na nakuha ko yung Gojo skin. Yes. I got the Gojo skin, guys. In ML. But, ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-ML. Hindi kasi ako gamer eh. Pero, I'm gonna do an ML. Let's play ML next time, okay? Matulog muna kayo, guys. Sabay-sabay tayong napuyat today. I need to fix my sleep schedule too, so... Ano oras na?
Magta-12 na.
Okay. It's almost 12, guys. Gotta sleep. Gotta sleep.
Retoro.
Sana kasha sa'yo yung Gojo shirt. Yes, I think kasha siya. Medium siya eh. And look, it's like the shoulder to shoulder. And it's like long. So it's really cute. I wonder how to style this. Para maganda siya. Para ano, I mean, mapang OOTD ko siya. Thank you so much. Dami kami nagpupuyat. Oo nga yan, dami niyong puyat ngayon. Ba't ganun? Isa rin naman ako sa mga nagpupuyat. And yun. What else am I gonna say? I don't know. Say bye to them, Lap. Say bye to them, Gojo. Bye. You love my eyebrows. Oh my gosh. Yung eyebrows ko, did you know that I shaved it? Pero hindi siya pantay, guys. Kasi, gusto kong gayahin yung eyebrows ko before na medyo pa-straight siya. Yung malinis lang na ano. Pero hindi naman super straight. I like how my eyebrows are. Pero gusto ko lang sana siyang linisin. Tapos, I shaved it too much na hindi siya pantay. So, sinashade ko na lang siya ngayon para hindi halata. My mini Gojo. What do you mean mini Gojo? Hi Jiro, thank you so much. May mini Gojo din ako dito. Okay. What else am I gonna say? I don't know. I really like my hair. I really like your hairstyles while performing. Sa Lapillus o dito? I mean, yung sa Lapillus, I usually just had my hair straight and just the pigtails. Anyway, thank you guys so much. I know it's really late and you guys have to sleep. I just wanted to say hi and just do a little short chikahan and flex this. Next time, I'm gonna do like skincare routine with you guys. And makeup and stuff. So, yes. Thank you so much, peeps. Muchas gracias. ¿Qué hora es en Argentina ahora?
A las...
Creo que es como a las 12, a la 1.
Sí, a las 12 en la
Tarde.
tarde.
Feliz día de San Valentín. Is this right?
Sí.
Feliz día de San Valentín.
No, a las 11.
A las 11.
Ah, no. A las 12, sí.
A las 12. No sé, pero creo que es como tarde ahí. Aquí en Filipinas es en la noche. Sobrang Latina. Babae na to. Sí, I am Latina, guys. Soy Latina. Oh, and if you guys want, can you recommend me like TikTok stuff? Kasi yung algorithm ko ngayon, it's weird. Like, all I have, kasi I've been entertaining a lot of like scripture TikToks, so puro ganun yung lumalabas. So, hindi ako updated sa mga bagong TikTok. And so, I'm having a hard time with making new TikToks. And at the same time, may mga TikTok ako na gusto kong gawin. Pero when I do it, it just ends up like living in the drafts kasi I don't feel like posting it because I don't feel like it's me. It doesn't feel like me. Kaya ang dami mga trending ngayon na TikTok na hindi ko siya pinopost because of that. Kasi it doesn't feel like, I don't know, it just doesn't feel right for me to post because it doesn't give the shanty that you guys know. And minsan parang feeling ko hindi lang siya bagay sa akin. So, ayun, puro meme tuloy yung mga napopost ko. Anyway, should I end the live now?
Sakto mo. 12.
Okay. Thank you so much, peeps.
And the Valentine's with Lapis.
Yes. Let's end Valentine's Day with Lapis. See? Sabihin yung dami yung mga ano-ano dyan. Si Marco kasi ang dami yung mga meme na sinabi. I still don't know. Oh my gosh, that video is so funny. You guys already probably watched that video in Public Affairs. I'm just so done. Anyway, this is how I spent Valentine's Day. I spent it with Lapis. So, the next interview, I'm gonna be like, oh, I spent Valentine's Day with Lapis. I did a live. And I spent it with Gojo too. Like I said, I was gonna.
Sa akin daw yung brown
Ha? Alin?
na labubu.
Hindi.
Sa akin nga daw eh.
Bakit?
Sila na yung nagsabi.
How dare you, peeps? Okay, anong oras na? Kailan comeback niyo ng Lapillus? Actually, I don't know, but we're preparing for it. I mean, we're hoping to have one soon. So, yeah, we're looking forward to it too, but we don't know what the future holds. So, we're just hoping that we do as much as you guys do. Yung TikTok trend na di bale na lang. Ah, okay. Sure. Ginawan ka ng sariling panaginip ni Marco, ha? Pala decision. Oo nga eh. Are you still not sleepy? Actually, I feel like I already am. That's the downside of contact lenses. You feel sleepy. I mean, I feel sleepy all the time because of it. Matulog na kayo, guys. Matutulog na rin ako. And see you guys again next time. And abangan nyo yung Maka episode tomorrow. Woohoo! I'm coming out in Maka season 2. Ano yun? Ayan, thank you so much, guys. Like, seriously, what time is it?
12.
Okay, let's end it. Woohoo! Happy Valentine's. Bye. I feel like I was chill today. Was I very like wild and stuff?
No.
Right? Feeling ko wala naman kayong masyadong magagawang memes.
You
Lagi
don't
na
know
lang
that.
pag may memes, pagka nagla-live ako may memes kayo na bago eh.
I don't know that.
Wala kayong masyadong mapupulot dito sa live na to. Hindi mo sure. Is that a threat? Okay, fine. Bye! Bye, guys. Thank you so much. Ano yun? Crush, wala ka-date ngayon. I mean, I'm just joking around, but guys, I just want you to know na I still am not interested in those stuff. Wala pa sa isip ko yan.
Oh
Kaya
my
nga,
God, Jo.
kaya nga andito siya eh. Kasi I'm not into dating and stuff. It's just talking about it is cringe. So, yes. Huwag kayo mag-alala.
She wants to be a cat lady.
Yes.
No.
What?
You wanna be an old cat lady?
Anyway, yeah, I hope nag-enjoy kayo kung may love life kayo at ako, happy ako as I am. So, I don't even know, like, can I even talk about love life stuff? Like, peeps. Oh my gosh. Okay, bye! Now I need to turn it off again. This is the third time. Ito yung off, di ba? Wait lang. Okay, let me turn it off. Capture time muna. Okay. Wait lang.
Ganun,
Wala
ganun.
naman akong filter, no?
So they can do this.
Ah!
A lock screen.
Charot. Joke lang. Okay, matulog na tayo, guys. Nababaliw na ako. I'm becoming weird now because of you guys. I can't believe I'm embarrassing myself in front of you guys. Bye! Good night.
Bruh, be for real.
Wait. Stop it. Wait. Ito. Okay. Bye, guys. I know for real how to turn it off. I did it myself. Without any help. I'm learning. Okay.